Okay, Hannah, can I hear you?
Oh, so sorry. I start again. Oh, this is Team 30. Today I want to talk about our project, Automatic Weed Cleaner Robot. The first motivation of our project is to help the agriculture in Taiwan. More and more people go to city to find work, and nobody wants to be a farmer. So the farmers in Taiwan are less and less. This is a big problem for our food. So we want to make farmers' work more easier. Second, most farmers are using pesticides to clean weed. Although it is very convenient, it also hurts the earth. If we keep using pesticide on the same ground for about 5 years or 10 years, it will no longer plant anything. Third, we don't really have the machine to clean weed. We only have a machine to clean a large amount of weed, but it also cuts the crop too. So we want to solve these problems. To do that, my teammates and I decided to make a machine that can automatically move in the farm. When it is in the farm, it can detect weed and using tools to cut the weed. Uh, to do that, we simply list the works it should do, and these are also the main works for our project. There are detect weed, moving in the farm automatically, and removing weed. Now, I will introduce the first two parts of works and what problems we have. First is detect weed. Machine learning is now very popular, and there are many people using machine learning on object detection. This method can help the machine to detect weed. And here is the example for object detection. The red bounding boxes are weed. The previous works for weed detections are get data set and train our own model. The red part is the corn and the green part is weed. Here is the, oh, yes, and this is the picture we use label me to label. And after labeling these pictures, we using these pictures to train model. But this part is very difficult. Although we successfully train our own model, we still have many bugs like low accuracy and not enough data set. Now we're still working on it. Second is moving in the farm. And here is the first problem. The left side is the picture of my grandparents' farm. You can see there is much water in it, but our car can move in it. It can only move the farm like the right picture. So we eventually changed to my other teammate's farm. It is the farm plants corn and it is dry that the car can move. And here's our car using rows to make it move. My teammates and I went to a class on February. It is a class that introducing rows and my teacher led his students in his lab to the class. ROS is a robot operating system. Why it is good is that there are many people working on it. It means you can learn robots by other people's work. You don't need to start all over again. It is pretty helpful for us. And that's all about our project. Thank you.
I mean, you mentioned the first two tasks are very challenging.
Yes.
Okay, so how are you going to tackle these two challenges? Are you going to do the first one and then the second one, or in parallel?
Uh, a We to detect. Sorry, can you say your question again,
So
please?
the first two items are the most challenging
Yes.
tasks, right? So are you going to solve the first one and then you do a second one,
Oh,
or are you doing them both in parallel?
the first we decide to solve the first one, and after we finish this, when we will take to the second one.
Okay. Do you have any idea of how to solve the first problem at this point?
We we have a we meet a problem is the crop will grow after the crop will grow. So the corn now the corn is different in at now or at a month before or a month after. So we will take data sets each month to make sure that the machine, the deep learning can recognize the corn in each time.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, it seems like you have three. Yeah, this page you have three tasks to do. Are you sure the third one is not challenging?
Yes, the third one is challenging too, but if we don't have the first one and the second one, the third one will be useless. So so we decide to make sure the first two one is finished.
Okay, and make sure that your robot smoothly can move smoothly on the
In the farm, okay.
on the farm.
Okay,
Okay.
okay.
Okay, that's it.
Let me ask, okay, let me just add a comment. Definitely, you cannot solve the whole problem for this project, but you can also consider the approach of not a total automatic approach. So you can have something like machine aided. Say, for example, if you are able to detect the weed or the areas that have a lot of weed, you should be able to localize them and let the farmers know. Okay. So you don't have to automatic, removal of the weed.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I will remind it.